Have you ever been stuck waiting on hold for a customer support agent? How about received an automated response when you tried to contact them through a messaging app? Well, both of these scenarios showcase the incredible power of interactive voice response, or IVR systems. But did you know there is a dedicated team of professionals known as IVR engineers who are responsible for creating and maintaining these systems? IVR engineers play a crucial role in shaping the way we interact with businesses through voice-based technologies. But what exactly does an IVR engineer do? What are their responsibilities, skills, and qualifications? And what kind of impact do they have on our daily lives? In this eye-opening documentary, we'll delve into the fascinating world of IVR engineering and explore the unsung heroes who work tirelessly behind the scenes to make our interactions with businesses seamless and efficient. From troubleshooting issues to optimizing performance and collaborating with stakeholders, IVR engineers are responsible for a wide range of tasks that ensure the smooth functioning of IVR systems. They work closely with customers to understand their needs and develop customized solutions that meet their requirements. By implementing robust IVR systems, they help businesses improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Whether it's automating customer service inquiries, processing transactions, or providing information, IVR engineers are essential in creating user-friendly experiences that make our lives easier. As we continue to rely on voice-based technologies in an increasingly digital world, the importance of IVR engineers cannot be overstated. So join us as we uncover the key aspects of their roles, the challenges they face, and the impact they have on our everyday lives. Imagine calling your phone company to report an outage and being immediately connected to an automated system that asks you a series of questions to diagnose your issue. As you navigate through the prompts, you feel frustrated and helpless, wishing you could speak to a real person instead. This is where IVR engineers come in. They are the unsung heroes of the customer service world, responsible for designing and developing the interactive voice response systems that guide us through these essential conversations with machines. But what exactly is an IVR system and how does it work? An IVR system, or interactive voice response system, is essentially a technology that allows us to interact with computer-based systems through voice commands and keypad inputs. When you call a business for assistance, you are likely to encounter an IVR system that will ask you to press certain numbers to reach different departments or select options from a menu of available services. For instance, if you call your bank's customer service line, an IVR system might greet you with a recorded message that says, "Thank you for calling." To check your balance, press 1. To make a transfer, press 2. To pay bills, press 3. To speak to an agent, press 4. These systems are designed to automate routine tasks and provide customers with quick and efficient service without the need for a human operator. Behind the scenes, IVR engineers play a crucial role in developing and maintaining these systems, ensuring that they function smoothly and effectively. But what does the job of an IVR engineer entail? What are their primary responsibilities, and what kind of tasks do they perform on a daily basis? IVR engineers typically work in various industries, including telecommunications, banking, healthcare, and retail, where customer service and support are essential components of the business. Their primary responsibility is to design, develop, and maintain IVR systems that can handle a high volume of calls and provide customers with an efficient and satisfying experience. On a typical workday, an IVR engineer might be involved in a range of activities such as designing and developing new IVR systems based on the specific requirements of each industry, implementing changes to existing systems to improve performance, enhance the customer experience, or comply with new regulations, testing IVR systems to ensure that they are functioning properly, and identifying and resolving any issues that arise, collaborating with other teams, such as customer service, sales, and marketing to develop integrated IVR solutions that meet the overall business objectives, monitoring system logs and analyzing data to identify trends, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement, staying up to date with the latest technologies and industry best practices to ensure that the organization's IVR systems remain cutting edge. But what kind of skills and qualifications does it take to become an IVR engineer? What are the essential qualities that make someone successful in this field? To become an effective IVR engineer, several key skills and qualifications are necessary. Firstly, a strong understanding of telecommunications and networking principles is crucial for designing and maintaining efficient IVR systems. Additionally, proficiency in programming languages such as C, C++, Java, or Python is essential for developing robust and scalable solutions. Experience with databases and SQL queries is also necessary for managing and manipulating the data used in IVR systems. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills are crucial for identifying and resolving complex issues related to IVR functionality and performance. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills are essential for collaborating with cross-functional teams and stakeholders to understand their requirements and provide effective solutions. Knowledge of speech recognition and natural language processing technologies can be beneficial for developing advanced IVR systems that understand and respond to natural language. Staying up to date with the latest industry trends and best practices is crucial for ensuring that IVR systems remain efficient and effective. Now that we've covered what IVR engineers do and the skills required to excel in this role, let's explore the impact they have on our daily lives. IVR engineers play a significant role in shaping the way we interact with businesses, making our experiences more convenient and efficient. One major benefit of IVR systems is their ability to provide 24/7 customer support. By automating routine tasks and inquiries, IVR systems allow businesses to provide continuous service without the need for human agents to be available around the clock. This is particularly useful in industries such as banking and healthcare, where customers may require assistance at any hour of the day. IVR systems can handle a high volume of calls simultaneously, reducing wait times and improving customer satisfaction. They can also collect valuable data and analytics that businesses can use to optimize their operations and improve customer service. For example, by analyzing call patterns and customer interactions, businesses can identify common issues and develop targeted solutions, enhancing the overall customer experience. Moreover, IVR systems can be integrated with other communication channels such as email and chatbots, providing customers with a seamless and consistent experience across multiple platforms. By leveraging the capabilities of IVR systems, businesses can streamline their customer service operations, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. However, the work of an IVR engineer is not without its challenges. Keeping up with technological advancements and evolving customer expectations can be demanding. IVR engineers must continually learn and adapt to new technologies and industry trends to ensure that the systems they develop remain effective and efficient. Adapting to changing customer behaviors and preferences requires IVR engineers to stay informed about emerging communication trends and incorporate them into their designs. For example, the rise of messaging apps as a preferred communication channel means that IVR engineers must consider integrating their systems with these platforms to provide customers with the flexibility they desire. Additionally, ensuring the accuracy and effectiveness of IVR systems can be challenging as they rely on complex scripts and decision trees to guide customer interactions. IVR engineers must carefully craft these scripts and continuously test them to ensure that they provide accurate and helpful information. Balancing automation with the need for human intervention is another challenge. While automation can improve efficiency, customers may still require human assistance for certain inquiries or issues. IVR engineers must strike the right balance between providing self-service options and ensuring that customers can easily connect with human agents when needed. Despite these challenges, the work of IVR engineers is crucial for businesses to thrive in today's fast-paced and customer-centric environment. Their ability to design and maintain efficient IVR systems that enhance customer experiences and streamline operations is invaluable. In conclusion, IVR engineers are the unsung heroes of the customer service world, responsible for creating and maintaining the interactive voice response systems that guide us through essential conversations with machines. They play a vital role in shaping the way we interact with businesses, making our experiences more convenient and efficient. With the rise of voice-based technologies, the demand for skilled IVR engineers is expected to grow, making it an exciting and rewarding career path for those interested in the intersection of technology and customer service. So if you're passionate about solving problems, improving customer experiences, and staying at the forefront of technological advancements, consider a career as an IVR engineer. And join the ranks of these unsung heroes who make our interactions with businesses seamless and hassle-free. And that concludes our exploration into the world of IVR engineers. We hope this documentary has shed some light on the crucial role they play in our everyday lives and the impact they have on the way we interact with businesses. Remember, behind every automated system and voice-based interaction, there's a team of talented individuals working tirelessly to make things happen. If you enjoyed this documentary and learned something new, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it interesting. Your support helps us continue producing high-quality content that brings the unseen side of technology to light. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.